Hey Freunde, today I'm bringing you along on set for a day at a passion project of mine, a dance video shoot. At 8 a.m. I arrived at the location with the director/dance choreographer Franzi to lock down the first spot. Here you can see me discussing with her how to place the props we had prepared earlier. Once the dancers have arrived and prepped their stuff, I could concentrate on my gear setup. Since this is a passion project and I don't have additional help, I made sure that the setup I have is almost fully automatic and also calibrated for handheld shoots. Here I chose the Sony a7S III with the Sony size 16-35mm f4 lens. By the way, I don't really recommend this lens, it's affordable, but at wide open apertures the edge sharpness isn't great. For this shoot I kept it at f8 whenever I was on the wide end to ensure clarity. Honestly, I don't know where they got the confidence to slap on that size logo onto it. Then I paired it with a Vaxis A5 monitor with built-in wireless transmission, so that the director, Franzi, could also watch the live feed of the camera on her phone. She can provide me instant feedback and boost the efficiency quite significantly.
5, 6, 7, 8. Hey! Yes! Yes! Let's go! Okay! Yes. Nice.
Since this was a passion project and everyone was helping out, Franzi organized the shoot very thoughtfully. So first we did the big group, then smaller groups of 5, and finally solos. When you plan things carefully and considerately like that, your friends will support you wholeheartedly. Therefore, with passion projects, rule number 1 is definitely respect your team. I was worried about not having enough footage, so continued on to capture some extra fun, spontaneous improv moments. If you want your film to look more polished and elevated, wardrobe and set design are your best friends. Early on, Franzi had already provided me a mood board. I then created an AI-generated reference image, adding in some pink props to brighten the space. And loved how this shot turned out. Once the group got smaller, I could finally try also a few more complex and special camera moves. I switched to the gimbal for this one and added some cool speed ramp effects in post. We wrapped the day with a few solo shoots. Now you might be wondering, why would a DP with 10 years of experience still join passion projects like these for free? Well, sounds crazy, but here's why. Breaking routine would be the first reason. Commercial work can be repetitive. If you shoot cars, you kind of always shoot cars. If you shoot fashion, you're stuck in fashion. But passion projects keep me creative and allow me to explore new ideas. Second would be growing together. In this industry, we grow by supporting each other, so collaborations are always fun and important to build long-term relationships. And this also helps everyone to thrive. Third reason is creative experiments. This is also for me very important, so these projects give me the freedom to test new techniques and styles without risking a client's budget. That way, when similar challenges come up in real client work, I already know how to handle them and can deliver it smoothly. And that's it, meine Freunde. This was totally worth it. And if you want to see more awesome content like this, consider to subscribe and follow for more. See you next time. Bis zum nächsten Mal.